There guys, we're here at 197 Cirrus Avenue, Sunnyvale, California 94087, and as you can see, the team is doing an awesome job transforming this 3-bedroom 2-bath 1,300 square foot home into a fabulous dream home for some lucky home buyer out there. So let's go ahead and take a quick look as far as the progress. Here's the entryway. We've got some new flooring, new paint, new windows. We've got a new fireplace coming in. To your left, it opens up to another great room. New paint, rewiring. We've got some new floors in here. Brand new kitchen. Take you down through the hallway. That'll lead you to one of our new bathrooms here. Ceiling the floor tiling. To your right, you're gonna have your bedroom number 1. Nice spacious bedrooms. Then you got bedroom number 2. As you can see, brand new paint, floors. Coming along very nicely. Then you'll come to your master bedroom here. And then your master bath. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, again, just over 1,300 square feet. And this will probably be done in a few weeks. So if you are interested in buying or purchasing in this area, very high demand area, please, on the post, go ahead and sign up on our website at www.buydiscounthomes.today, or feel free to give me a call at 408-203-2437. And again, guys, the Fernandez Group, we buy, we fix, we flip real estate out here in the Bay Area. If you have opportunities that you're aware of, please feel free to give us a call. But this one here is going to be coming available pretty soon. So if you are a buyer or if you know of a buyer, please let me know, and we'll be more than happy to work with you. Thank you.